Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the wig for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. Don't prove me wrong, prove you right. My word is bond, we don't spit no lies. A daughter of the sunshine. But every blue moon I come alive at night. I like lace and I like braids, but I love my natural edges laid from the east side, building on the west coast. My high tolerance for pain don't mean I'ma take yo. All them fake followers ain't gon' like your pics. I rep the water bearer sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Wiggins Hair. Shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their 16-inch 250% density curly 13x4 lace front wig. I'm gonna go ahead and click on it so I can give you guys more details and specs, but I do have this unit in 16 inches. Okay, so on the site it says Wiggins 250% density curly 13x4 lace front wig, medium length human hair wig for sale. So the unit is available in 14 to 20 inches. As I stated, I do have this unit in 16 inches. And as far as the other details and specs, it's just a curly unit. It's a natural black color. It is Swiss lace. And it says it's a high quality 100% human hair lace wig. So those are all the details and specs that they have on the site about this unit. Now, as far as tweezing and all that stuff, I did not have to do any of the things. Like literally y'all, this hairline, it came like this. I did not have to tweeze this unit whatsoever. Okay, so shout out to them for that. I did choose to bleach the knots, but honestly, I feel like you can get away with not doing that. I keep telling you guys, I'm just on that kick, so I'm gonna keep it up. But if you don't want to, I think you can still get away with not bleaching the knots on this unit, in my personal opinion. As far as shedding and tangling, I have not noticed any other things straight out of the packaging. It's not to say a girl won't do any other things, but straight out of the packaging, she did not. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did not apply any product to this hair. Like literally, these curls woke up like this, okay? They woke up like this. All I did was run my fingers through the curls and got this style. I did not have to do any extra work, and I love that it's a unit that I didn't have to apply product on straight out of the packaging, okay? And it may be a unit that I really won't have to put much product, if any at all, and I love that it automatically had these really, really nice curls. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, I think it is more small to medium head friendly. Although the lace did like go farther back, it's just like the unit in itself, to me, the cap was not big head friendly. I think it is small to medium head friendly, but I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, honey. Okay, do with that what you want to do with that. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all, so we're gonna start with the cons because you know your girl like to end on a high note. My con is that's a 13x4. You already knew that. Like, literally, you can probably even see the welt right there. Like, because, honey, if I don't do a C part these days, you're gonna see some welt. So that is my con. I don't, like I keep saying, I don't know what the thing is with not being able to get 13x6s, but a lot of companies are making 13x4 wigs, so that is gonna be my con. My pros are, first of all, I feel like it's beginner friendly as far as frontals go. I love that I did not have to apply any product to it, and these curls are curling. I love the length of this unit. I love the style of the unit. I love the hairline of this wig, and I am loving the lace. So all of those are the pros for me with this wig. Yes, I would definitely recommend this unit if you are a beginner and you want to kind of step into frontals, or just a beginner for frontals. I feel like this is the perfect unit to start with. Just like I said, with the hairline, with the curls, it's just super, super easy. So yes, I would personally recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, those are all the details and specs on this unit. If you are interested in this unit and you love this wig as much as I am, because I'm loving it, girl, this is gonna be my all weekend hair. So if you are loving it as much as I am and you're interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, Wiggins, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Hello Miss C on Snapchat, and on DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you lovebug's next time. Bye.
The looks you love completely. Got every styles and weekly. Disastrous beauty.